Zoology. Listen. So here zoology, geo meaning earth, logy meaning study. Study about earth's interior we call zoology. At this point, study about earth's interior. Study about earth's interior. Study about earth's interior and processes within the earth. Study about earth's interior and processes within the earth. Study about earth's interior and processes within the earth is known as zoology. Study about earth's interior and processes within the earth. Processes within the earth is known as zoology. Is known as zoology. Right? Full stop. Next point. Next point. So the term geography, the term geography, the term geography, the term geography, first time, the term geography, first time, coined by, the term geography, first time coined by, the term geography, first time coined by a famous, the term geography, first time coined by a famous Greek scholar, the term geography coined by a famous Greek scholar Eratosthenes. Greek scholar Eratosthenes. The term geography first time coined by a famous Greek scholar Eratosthenes. Therefore, he is known as father of geography. Therefore, he is known as father of geography. Therefore, he is known as father of geography. Right? Father of geography. Okay, listen. So your Greek scholar Eratosthenes is known as or considered as a father of geography. Now, listen. So there is one more term called modern geography. Listen first, don't write. So your modern geography. If you get the question, so who is known as father of geography? Without doubt, answer is Eratosthenes. But if you get the question, who is known as father of modern geography, the answer will change, right? The father of geography and the answer is different. Father of modern geography, answer is different, right? So who is the father of modern geography? Anyone? Any idea? Who is the father of modern geography? Vilas sir? No, I'm not father of geography. Please remember, father of modern geography. There are two people. Remember. So one is Alexander. Listen first. Alexander von Humboldt. So Alexander von Humboldt, right? And one more is, just listen, Karl Ritter. Listen. So when, suppose if you are having only one option, then how, like which answer should be marked? Karl Ritter or Alexander von Humboldt, right? But remember, both generally we call as father of modern geography, but their approaches are different. Both are given different approach, right? But both are very important. So in the study of modern geography, right? Just listen. So your Alexander von Humboldt, listen carefully. So your Earth, right? Earth is a complete one system, right? And within Earth, listen carefully. This is 0 degree equator. Just listen. And it is 23.5 degree. 23.5 degree north, that we call Tropic of Cancer. 66.5 degree north, we call Tropic of Arctic Circle. 90 degree north, we call North Pole. Similarly, there will be same, there will be there in the southern hemisphere also, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, and the South Pole. So your 23.5 degrees south, Tropic of Capricorn, 66.5 degrees south, Antarctic Circle, and 90 degrees south, South Pole. The area between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn we call tropical region. Listen first, tropical region. And the area between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, it is known as temperate region. And area between Arctic Circle and North Pole, it is known as polar region. Polar region. Listen. So polar region, temperate region, tropical region. I'll give one more example. And India located in which hemisphere? Northern or southern hemisphere, or in both the hemisphere? India located in which hemisphere? Northern hemisphere. Just listen. India almost, right? So India located in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer almost passes from the middle of the country, right? Just listen. And within India, so I'll take, just listen here. Okay, listen. So here India, within India, so here India located north of equator, right? And India's northernmost part, this part comes in the temperate region. India's northernmost part comes in temperate region, and India's southern part comes in the tropical region. So India located in the tropical region also, in the temperate region also. Northern part comes in temperate region, southern part comes in tropical region, right? Just listen, one more important point. So among this part, right, remember, we are having here Thar Desert. We are having Thar Desert. Thar Desert. And we are having here mountain area, Himalayan mountain. Northeastern states, a hilly area. Hilly areas, right? So hilly areas, and even in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, everywhere also we are having hills, mountains, and plains, right? Just listen here. So when you take the entire earth, or when you take the entire India, means the entire India, the total area of India is 3287,263 square kilometer, right? And the total area of the earth is 510 million square kilometer. So 510 million square kilometers is the total area of the earth, and total area of India is 32 lakh 87, or 3.287 million square kilometer, right? So out of 510 million, India is 3.28 million, right? If you take entire India is not evenly distributed. In some places we are having the desert, in some places we are having the plain, right? We are having the Gangetic plain and Brahmaputra plain and Indus plain. In some places we are having plain, in some places we are having desert, in some places we are having hilly areas, in some places we are having mountains. Some places we are having mountains like Western Ghats mountains, Eastern Ghats mountains, right? And Himalayan mountains, hilly areas. We are having Vindhya range, Satpura range, right? Different hills are there, deserts are, because India is not evenly distributed. Even the earth also not evenly distributed, right? So here Alexander von Humboldt says that, so entire earth is considered as one system, right? Entire earth is considered one system, and the geographers should study as a, they should develop as a single model to study about the earth, because earth should be considered as a one system. And when the geographers will study, they have to study that earth is one complete one complete system, and they have to develop a single model for all the places, right?